Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your host Keith. You're watching Wild Hacks. So in today's vlog, we are going to unbox the Lavaliers. You remember in the last vlog, I told that I'll be upgrading to a new microphone, which is the Lavaliers Mono A400. So that is the one what I ordered, and I unboxed it. So this is the Lavaliers mic. What I've got it is from Amazon. Comes in this sort of box. I'm going to unbox it now. But with a really nice pouch, and this is what it says. What is this? I'll look into this later, but this is the pouch, guys. And when I unboxed it, I just found a pouch in which there was a 2-meter Lavalier microphone, which comes with 2 clips and an extender. So that was all about the unboxing. I already actually have taken a test ride and checked the mic. So this is what had happened. So I had gone to Juhu to meet my friend Levi, and the audio quality wasn't good. You can just have a check and then we'll talk about it. आज तो इतना गर्मी है, ऊपर से चाय पीने जा रहे हैं हम 1 बजे। वहाँ आगे राइट में आपको अगर दिखेगा ब्रिजस्टोन करके है, तो वहाँ पे मैंने अपना टायर चेंज किया था। आपको दिखाता हूँ अभी ब्रिजस्टोन वेयर आई हैव चेंज्ड माय टायर्स। So if you can come, if you want to change your tires, you can. I would recommend this place here, Bridgestone, and you can just check with the owner which is the best tire that will suit you. और अभी मेरे को फटाफट भगाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मैं
So long when I'm trying to call you.
Go crazy.
Okay, so you saw the audio quality. It wasn't that great. I came home, I checked the audio. It wasn't clear because I had done some changes in the setting. The setting, you have to put it on standard mic. I had put it on standard mic plus, due to which there was a lot of disturbance, and the mic was very close to my mouth. So that's the reason why you couldn't hear me, and there was a lot of noise. But later when I changed the setting, it was all fine. Have a look at the test ride I've taken later. Now I've changed the setting to standard mic. It was standard mic plus earlier, due to which there was some sort of disturbance, when I'm motovlogging, and the mic was very close to my mouth. So now I've just kept it somewhere near my cheeks so that the voice shouldn't be quite disturbing. So let's test this, and then we'll come to a conclusion on how the performance of this mic is. So, a lot of people leaving from offices right now. No one is at a petrol pump, so let's quickly fill some petrol here. All right, 97. So we are now in BKC, and just have a look at the traffic of Mumbai. Okay, so I have closed the visor, and now let me see how is the quality of the microphone. I hope that now there shouldn't be any sort of disturbance, and I don't want to get stuck in traffic. So it's ideally upon you guys. You all just gauge the audio, how it is. I just hope you all be able to gauge, क्योंकि अगर आपको लेना है तो आप पहले चेक कर लो ऑडियो कैसा है इसका, अगर पसंद है तो ले लो, नहीं पसंद आया तो यू कैन अपग्रेड टू अ डिफरेंट माइक्रोफोन. कभी कभी लगता है सादा जो माइक्रोफोन आता है ना, जैसे कि मेरे द प्रीवियस माइक्रोफोन विच आई हैड, वो तो जेनरिक का माइक्रोफोन था, वो 199 रुपया का. येस, यू हर्ड इट राइट, 199 रुपीज़. आई फील दैट इज़ मच बेटर. साउंड क्वालिटी इज़ ऑल्सो नाइस. इज़ नॉट दैट गुड, इतना भी खास नहीं है, पर चलने लायक है, चल जाएगा. अभी लाविनियर का जो माइक है, आई एक्सपेक्टेड अ लॉट फ्रॉम इट, पर इट्स डूइंग गुड. बट ओनली द थिंग इज़ दैट उसका जो फर 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 ऐसा कुछ आवाज़ आता है, सो वही प्रॉब्लम है. बट आई जस्ट होप दैट्स फिक्स नाउ, बिकॉज वो सेटिंग करने का था थोड़ा, मेरे को स्टैंडर्ड माइक पे रखने का था. मैंने स्टैंडर्ड माइक की जगह उसको स्टैंडर्ड प्लस रख दिया. और सेकेंडली वो आई हैड केप्ट इट वेरी क्लोज टू माई. सो यू कैन जस्ट कीप योर माइक्रोफोन नॉट वेरी क्लोज टू योर माउथ, जस्ट कीप इट समवेयर नियर योर chin, below your chin, or somewhere near your cheeks. I think so it will still be able to pick up the audio. I'm just guessing. Once I go home I'll be able to check. Anyways, you all can just gauge. जो भी मैंने शॉट किया है वो डाल दूंगा मैं. अभी सबसे पहले तो मुझे ट्रैफिक से निकलने का है. Amazing microphone for motovloggers, and it's low budget as well, so you can definitely go for it. So that's it guys, in this video I just wanted to make a short video. Just wanted to share this experience with you all. So if you are purchasing a microphone, you can go for this A400 Lavinia mono mic. So if you like this video, please give it a like, please do share, subscribe to the channel, and that's it guys. I'll see you all soon in the next vlog. Till then, take care, bye guys.